guys, I'm here at the Chinatown. What's this? I see I watch some dresses. Some dresses guys. Here at the Chinatown. Garments for ladies. White. This is the new design of the square pants. White, there is a printed human being. I like this. Dito kung malaki lagi siya. What else here? Shorts. Ay, pareho lang dito ang naka-display. Ano eh? Pila ka silang?
110.
I like this printed. Guys, hi guys. Look at this. This is the ladies' square pants for ladies. There's also a the gold. Yes. This is the garments here. 3 pieces for wholesale. Also gamitin sa mga Islam dress. Islam dress for ladies. Let's see, crop top for young ladies here. There's a jacket. This all copy, mirror copy, or what's this? This is a dress. Look at this beautiful dress. This beautiful white. What else? White or pink?
May pinapabay mo.
Kung tatlo lang, akong kunin lang. Ha? 120? Di ba yung 110?
110 po. 210.
Ah. Pwede duha lang. Pareha naman ka 110. 120 duha lang sa sample ko lang. Kaning dark blue. Balikan mo lang ng white and yellow. This kind of square pants for ladies. This is beautiful.
Pero ako magugutom. Mata na siya.
Dress, Bangkok dress. There's a lot of Bangkok dress here. Bangkok dress. I like this. Bangkok dress. Ha? Bangkok gani. Uso ka ng mga naong-naong ba? Faces printing. Faces printed. Look at this. They're all square pants. Chalice cloth. Chalice square pants. Also gone. Mga summer. For this beautiful design. Flower design. Pwede 150 lang.
Sold sila ito.
Tatlo? Ano dahil tulo na sila? Tulo dahil sila like this. Dili pwede. Gamito na mag-travel siguro mi ba, ha? So ko na ay ano. Shane, oh. Pila ganyan siyang terno? Green. This a terno. Shane. Terno. Blouse and pants. 350. I like the green. Isa na lang, no? Wala na iba. Ay, katong ko ng color. Ay, printed. I like this. Turn. What kind of, unsa kini siya klase nga tela uso karon? Unsa kini nga tela? Bago? Ha? The kind of tela. Hindi siya crumpled. Kani, ito siya kay kuan man spandex, kano? Cotton spandex. Kaya dili siya cotton eh. Kani ba nga klase ng tela? Crumpled lagi, no? Terno crumpled gani. Green. And this also have printed. Lakan mo. This also terno. Look at this. Terno polo. Look at this also short and the big sleeve. Okay. Balikan. Pila ni siya? 3. I will come, ha? 350. Look at this. I have red. Like this. Green na lang yun siya. Green na. I've not to buy this turnip. It's not sold here in this store, boutique store. The latest design is faces printed. Cotton print faces printed with the square pants and this kind of cloth. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm here at the RTW shop, SNA RTW shop of Davao City, the Chinatown, where you can buy a cheap for your OOTD outfit of the day. You can wear like this, for boys, diapers, chocolate, t-shirts, and this also, very nice, square pants. So much tribal design. Lang, how much ni siya ganito lang?
50.
Ha?
50.
Di ha? Like, sige, ang tela niyo, ano, mahalon dahil siya.
100
Ha?
100 ang wholesale.
This kind of cloth. Para siyang batik lang. Gusto ko batik. because it's not fit for me. It's small size. This is the Chalice square pants. The very nice look. So guys, thanks for watching. And here is shop. I'm buy some square pants. This I buy two pieces of this. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Love you all.